You guys ready out there?
This is it, man.
We're gonna make you a star.
Sometimes I think life is just a rolling on. The tickets to ride, make it to the band. There is a place.
Right, let's meet the man responsible for this championship, Brad Dorfman.
Here comes Neil again. Oh, Mendes. And then he lost it. Neil Blender.
Unbelievable.
One-handed handstand. He must have been up there 5 seconds at least. There he goes again.
Oh, he makes it.
The crowd is loving it.
Extended hand plant, stalls it out as long as he can. Real hard to do. This guy's a wild man. Like I said, consistency is his problem. When he pulls it off, he's great.
Boy, the showmanship pleases the crowd, and I'm sure the judges are taking note.
He's a real clown.
From Anaheim, 18 years of age, the biggest competitor out here today at 6 foot, 190 pounds. He lost it.
That was after the time.
After the time.
That was after the time was up.
You know, he looks like a tight end on a football team. It's interesting to
The
see how
score
he
was
chooses sports such as this.
89,
Well,
85, 88,
What can I say? He's
90,
the biggest,
and 83.
biggest pro skateboarder there is, and there's very few of them. And again, it's really hard for these big guys to get around like the little guys do. Neil is quite a unique guy in a lot of ways. Neil, you look like you're out of breath. Tell us about that last run.
It was scary.
Listen, I saw that extended hand plant stall, and then it looked like you tried to jump back on the board when you were losing it. Tell me, is that what you were doing?
Yeah, the trick is called a Donner Party. You know how the Donner Party lost their guns in Trabuco Canyon? Back where I learned that in, I think 5th grade. And it's like that because it's like deadly because you jump on and you don't know, and it's like uncontrollable.
Unbelievable. You came back and then tried it again and actually made it. Are you going to do that again in the second round if you make it to the second round?
It's all spontaneous. Who knows?
Spontaneous. Tell me, who do you think your toughest competition is going to be here today?
Well, who says that I'm a good competitor? I mean, if I make it past anywhere, I think Stevie will be the best guy here. If not him, it might be Mickey Alba.
And what are you going to do with your $400 if you win it, big guy?
Spend it on a car lot. John, you're known for your street style abilities, street style skating. What's it going to take to win a street style contest like this?
Not a street skater. Just somebody who can jump, get as high as air as you can. And you can call that street skating, but I don't. It's
All professional.
I've never known a street skater to win a street contest yet.
15 seconds. Three, two, one. That is time for John Lucero.
What makes you one of the better street style skaters around?
I don't know. I just skate a lot.
Working every inch of that ramp. And he worked for it, and he deserved. $750 goes to Tony Hawk, second place. Jeff Phillips has won the Trashmore NSA number 3. All of these guys deserved everything they got. And more.
Started doing it in Houston last month. Just learned it, so it's just a lean air, but it's a new variation.
Looks good. Judges like it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Best of luck.
What makes you one of the better street style skaters around?
I don't know. I just skate a lot. Out of practice.
That's all. Just skate streets a lot.
Yeah.
Hey, good luck. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, a veteran skater.